Hey, assholes!
You, 離開呢度 ！This doesn't concern you.
Kill him! Dump him in the harbor when you're done!
打實你啊！
嚟啊！哎呀，點啊？諗住你搞得掂啊？收收嚟啦！翻屋企揾你老母！I'm going to enjoy this shit. 我哋要過去㗎啦！咁快啊！哎呀，點啊？一嘢手啊！我食硬你㗎，一定會後悔。一嘢手話你知啊！你實死嘅人幫你走啊！喂，翻屋企揾你老母啊！一定會後悔，一嘢收鳩佢皮啦！你拎佢一嘢收鳩佢皮啦！係咯，豬仔，剁柒佢！屌你老母冚家鏟！剁柒佢！一嘢收鳩佢皮啦！
You think it's over?
Not yet.
They have some weapons in the trunk. You better take them.
Thanks. You better lay low.
Wait, what's going on, man?
Shit, they're Mrs. Chu's. They're coming after everything we got.
Who do these fucks think they are?
Big Smiley's coming after us. I guess he figures we can't vote against him if we're dead.
Big Smiley?
Yeah. You want out?
No, I'm with you all the way, boss. Whoa, whoa,
We're
whoa!
with you, Wade.
Just for once, I'd like.
Wait, up here! Come on, let's move! Move it, move it! Inside, get inside!
What the hell is this?
They're in the market, coming from the market.
All I want is a bowl of soup. 掂啦，聽我講。Here they come again! Watch the left side! 左邊啊！可以打贏㗎 ！Bullets! I need more bullets! He's going with them army! Guy! 打唔撚死佢哋嘅！這些都有人。Back alley!
Watch the front. I'll go check it out.
You stupid bitch! Where's Wei Shen? I got a message for him from Big Smile Lee.
Oh, yeah?
Ha! Just the piece of shit I'm looking for. You're going to vote for Lee, you hear me? You don't? We're gonna fuck you. All your ancestors and
These guys don't give up.
Get out of my alley!
Get a load of this. Jesus fucking Christ.
Careful of my guys! You didn't expect this! Now watch for our people!
This shit has gotten completely out of hand. It's us or them now. We'll see. Let's go.
Hey! Hola ya! Get in. We gotta move!
Great, just fucking move.
Hurry! Where we going?
We gotta get to Ricky. I don't want him on Big Smile Lee's side.
How are you gonna bring him over?
I got an idea. Where the hell is Jackie?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Call him.
No answer. Before you came along, I expect him to be hiding out somewhere. Now, I don't know.
Well, you think they might have gone after him?
They went for Mrs. Chu. Fuckers are going after everyone.
Ricky. Look, easy, Ricky. Look. We have to talk.
I got nothing to say to you. Calm down, okay? Listen, Big Smiley's coming after anyone who's a threat.
I work for Sonny Woe.
We're Lee's biggest backers, and unlike you, I'm loyal to my friends. Sonny told me about you and Vivian.
What? Ricky, I didn't do anything. I swear it.
But
Sonny recorded a video of us together to blackmail me, and now the police have it. They're threatening to release it if I don't testify against Sonny.
What do you think Lee will do to her when he hears?
you said no?
Of all the people Sonny told me to be with, Wei is the only one who said no. The only one. Even you. You didn't say no.
Listen, Ricky, you have to choose. If you back Sonny, Lee will probably ask you to kill her yourself. Or you can get her out of here, keep her safe, and Sonny stays in jail.
Okay, but what about Big Smile Lee?
You let me worry about Lee.
Listen up. You better keep a low profile for a while.
Yeah.
All right. See you.